We're gonna redo these headlights. We're gonna show you guys how to do it. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, and then we're gonna polish them. But first we're gonna tape it off. All right, so first step, what we did was we hit it with 1,000. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with 2,000. Just soap and water. It's like rinse and repeat. So now we're gonna do more soap, 3,000. So we're basically working our way up. Here's what it looks like. It's gonna look kind of hazy once you start climbing up on the grits. This is gonna be quick. All we're gonna do, pipe it like he did. Do an inspection of it. If you need to sand it more, like maybe that could be sanded a little bit more. Here's what it looks like before the buffing compound. And we're gonna use this Pro Speed compound, and it's an extra heavy cut. Apply a little bit, kind of dab it on the headlight. Okay, so this is after the first. You can tell there's still a little bit of haze in there, but after we're going to apply like it's like this clear coat. It's like a wipe on clear coat. It goes on there and it's supposed to add a layer of protection, but we're going to get the rest of this haze out here. You get like these little 3M pads. It tells you right here basically what it does. It's easy to use. Headlight, white, clear coat. I'm gonna use a couple microfiber towels to clean off. Maybe some degreaser. You don't have to use degreaser. Okay. So, we are finished, and after cleaning up the bumper, I mean, look at that. That looks brand new. And yeah, if you guys have any questions though, I can always tell you. Just feel free to comment.